So being at CDI College, a lot of the instructors have given me the chance to be successful. They had taken the time to spend that one-on-one time and explain things a little bit properly. And I chose coming to CDI for that reason, smaller classes and having that one-on-one experience. With this being a hands-on course, we have the ability to get in there and really help clients and really prepare ourselves for our industry. Well, with CDI College and the Massage Therapy program, it's a lot of hands-on experience. So it's industry related. So I was able to get a job in the industry that I'm being trained for. So that way I feel confident.